Okay, let's look at number 12 here. It says if the angle of PQS, let's label that, angle PQS, PQS, so it is this part. It's this angle, which I'm making in red. And I know that is 6x plus 1. And then I have the angle PRS, and that is 34 minus 5x. Find what PS is. Notice that they share the same inscribed angle. Because they share the same inscribed angle, that means they have congruent arcs. Because the fact that they have congruent arcs, their inscribed angles are congruent. So, because they're the same here, I can say 6x plus 1 is equal to 34 minus 5x. Why? Because again, they have the same arc. That's why the inscribed angles are the same. Now I can solve. Plus 5x to both sides. That's how I get this to cancel. Gets us 11x plus 1 is equal to 35. Minus 1, sorry, 34. Minus 1 to both sides. This cancels. 11x is equal to 33. Divide by 11, divide by 11. This cancels. X is equal to 3. I need to know what arc PS is. Arc PS is defined as one of them. So how about I find what the angle is? So the angle PQS is equal to 6x plus 1. Let's make that substitution, okay? Let's plug in 3 in for x. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1, which is 19. That is what PQS is, okay? Notice that now I need the arc. I know that if I 1/2 the arc, I get the angle. I get that inscribed angle, okay? The inscribed angle here is 19. I have 1/2 the arc. Now, if I multiply 2 to both sides, I get the arc alone. So the arc is equal to 19 times 2. And that is 38. There you go. I can say that arc of PS is equal to 38. I had to set up the equation first to solve for the x. Then I find the inscribed angle. Then I use the relationship between the inscribed angle and the arcs to solve for the arc.